speaking samples.
Let's talk about personality.
Question 1. Are you a family person?
Yes, I consider myself a family person. Family plays a significant role in my life. Therefore, I always cherish the moments I spend with my family members. Moreover, I prioritize building and maintaining strong relationships with my loved ones.
Question 2. What are the qualities of a good wife?
Well, I think the qualities of a good wife can vary from person to person. But some common qualities might include love, trust, support, understandings, good communication, and a strong sense of commitment to the relationship.
Question 3. Will your personality change when you get older?
It's possible that my personality may change to some extent as I get older. Life experiences and maturity can lead to personal growth and changes in perspective, but I hope to preserve my core values and principles.
Let's talk about how to keep up to date with the news.
Question 1. Do you often keep up to date with the news?
Of course. I try to stay informed by keeping up to date with the news. I believe it's important to be aware of current events and what's happening in the world. In this way, I can stay connected with the world and make informed decisions.
Question 2. How do you often keep up to date with the news?
Let me see. I keep up to date with the news through various methods. I regularly read online news websites, watch the news on TV, follow news updates on social media, and sometimes read news in printed newspapers.
Question 3. Is it important to keep up to date with the news?
Sure. It's essential to stay informed about the news and update the latest trends. Being aware of current events helps us make informed decisions, understand the world around us, and take part in discussions about important issues.